Here's how to talk about forgetting something in Igbo using three simple structures. Number one, echefurum dash. I forgot dash. Echefurum ịgbanyụ ọkụ. I forgot to turn off the light. Echefurum ekwentị. I forgot my phone. Echefurum igodo. I forgot my keys. 2. Ichefuru dash. Did you forget dash? Ichefuru ịgbanyụ ọkụ. Did you forget to turn off the light? Ichefuru ekwentị gị. Did you forget your phone? Ichefuru igodo gị. Did you forget your keys? And our final phrase is gịnị ka ichefuru? What did you forget? Gịnị ka ichefuru? And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Echefurum dash. I forgot ịgbanyụ ọkụ. Ekwentị igodo. Quick question. If someone said to you, Ichefuru ya, how would you say, no, I did not forget it? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.